Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, July 3rd. We're going to see another rather hot day out there today before we start to see more of a cool off. Not going to be quite as hot as we saw yesterday, with heat indexes yesterday around 112 to 115 degrees here at Wallops, but it's still going to be seeing those heat indexes peak just above 100 degrees as we go towards the afternoon hours. Taking a look at our conditions across the region from yesterday, we did see high 90s for many locations across the region. Here at Wallops, we got to 92. Warmest spot was in Baltimore, which saw a temperature of 98, and the cool spot yesterday was still Ocean City, that only got up to a high of 87. We saw some very mild lows this morning across the area, with most locations failing to get below the mid-70s. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing that warm-up start up already again across the region, with most locations reporting temperatures in the mid-80s, with some upper 80s already seen as of the 9 a.m. hour under sunny to mostly sunny skies. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, still seeing some fairly light and variable winds across the entire column, as we still have upper level ridging in control across the mid-Atlantic region. We are seeing southwesterly winds just above the surface this morning as of 12Z. And then above the surface, we were seeing those winds shift more northeasterly from 3,000 feet up to 20,000 feet, and then shifting southeasterly at that 25,000 foot level. Winds only ranging between 10 and 20 knots, around with a max at 12,000 feet before becoming rather light at the 25,000 foot level. Taking a look at our observation loop here this morning, as you can see, we are seeing those temperatures in the mid to upper 80s across the region as we get towards 10 a.m. here. We are seeing those winds fairly light this morning, but we are here at Wallops have seen those winds shift more southeasterly across as we go towards the late morning hours, and that will continue throughout the day, with winds expected to remain around 7 to 12 knots as we go into the afternoon, still from the southeast, with them turning more easterly as we go towards late tonight and into tomorrow morning. Seeing some lower level cloud cover earlier this morning, but that is starting to dissipate a bit, and we will be seeing some mostly sunny skies as we go towards the afternoon. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning across the region, high pressure still in control across the mid-Atlantic. We are seeing a weak inverted trough north of the Bahamas, and that is helping to give us that bit of an easterly flow, also really pumping up that low-level moisture across the region, which has helped to give us these extreme heat indexes yesterday and today. And we will be seeing that feature continue to push westward. Tomorrow, that's going to increase our easterly flow across the region. Still going to be rather humid out there, but with increased onshore flow and some increase in cloud cover, we are going to see those temperatures not get quite as high we have seen today and yesterday. So taking a look at our forecast chart, still going to be seeing high pressure and control as we go throughout today and into tomorrow. High pressure is going to be moving north of the area, and then it's going to be slowly moving away as we have that upper level ridge slowly weakening as we go into tomorrow. Only expecting those temperatures tomorrow to get into the mid 80s. Still going to be pretty humid out there though. And then Wednesday evening, going to be seeing some that onshore flow help to increase the cloudiness a bit. Not expecting any rain showers tomorrow, just an uptick in cloudiness as we get that onshore flow continuing and that upper level ridge weakening a bit. On Thursday, we are going to be having that upper level ridge really start to dissipate, and that is going to open the opportunity for some isolated pop-up shower activity in the afternoon. Right now, it looks only about a 15% chance of some isolated pop-up showers, but we will be monitoring that to see if there is a better chance that develops, as we are going to start to see a front approaching the area as an upper level trough starts to develop across the region. Taking a look at our weather chart today, going to just be looking at a threat of those higher heat indexes as we go towards the afternoon, expecting a max heat index today between 98 and 103 for this afternoon, with a high temperature of 89. Southeasterly winds will be prevalent throughout the day, around 7 to 12 knots, and then they will become more easterly as we go into tonight and tomorrow morning and through the mid-morning hours of Wednesday. We will be seeing a chance of some patchy fog tomorrow morning due to some abundant low-level moisture and those lighter winds that will be developing. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, just going to be seeing a few clouds near the lower levels between 2,000 and 4,000 feet for the next 2 hours. And then this afternoon should be a few scattered around 3,000 feet with just a few upper level cirrus clouds across the area. Those lower level clouds will scour out around sunset tonight with just a few lingering cirrus clouds, and then as we go past midnight, we'll start to see some low cloudiness and patchy fog develop in areas, possibly restricting the visibilities just a bit as we go towards sunrise Wednesday morning. For our Independence Day tomorrow, we're going to be looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies as that easterly flow starts to increase a bit with a chance of that patchy morning fog. We're expecting a high a couple degrees cooler of 85. Wednesday night is going to be partly cloudy with another chance of some patchy fog with a mild low of 76. And then on Thursday, we're going to be seeing partly to mostly cloudy skies again, and with that upper level ridge dissipating, we are going to be seeing a slight chance of some afternoon pop-up showers with a high of 86. Taking a look at the next 7 days, today is going to be one of the hotter days of the extended outlook, with cooler temperatures expected for Wednesday and Thursday, only into the mid 80s under mostly cloudy skies. Still looking at that slight chance of a pop-up shower Thursday, only looking around a 15% chance of that happening right now, but we will be keeping an eye on that. And then Friday, we are going to be getting a pretty strong cold front approaching the area, and with the very humid conditions we've had settled across the Delmarva, we can expect that it is looking like we can expect some periods of rather heavy rain and possibly even a strong thunderstorm or two across the region with that frontal passage. It does look like there is some slight disagreement with the exact timing, but we could be seeing storms develop as early as the mid-afternoon hours, but with the best chance for some heavier rain happening in the evening or nighttime between Friday night and Saturday. That front's going to be a bit slow to move out of the area on Saturday with some lingering showers in the morning, and then behind that cold front, we're going to see some much cooler air than we have been seeing recently, with temperatures actually falling below normal for this time of year for Saturday and Sunday. Only expecting those temperatures behind that front on Saturday to get into the upper 70s, and then some strong high pressure drops down from the north on Sunday, giving us a partly cloudy to mostly sunny day. It's going to be very beautiful across the region, only looking at a temperature of 79 with much less humidity in the area, and those conditions will persist through Monday, only looking at a high of 80 under mostly sunny skies. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back on Thursday at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great 4th of July.